What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Informed Trader. My name is Chris. Every week on this channel, we take a look at what's going on in the stock market, in the crypto market, looking at the 10x gainers, the 10x losers, right? We're just analyzing the information that's given to us. That way you can make informed trades yourself, okay? I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. If you could do me a favor, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. So today, we're going to be talking about SafeMoon. All right, the viral cryptocurrency that has taken the world by storm, okay? If you have not heard of the SafeMoon protocol, then you're probably not in crypto at all, because this is the #1 search crypto on the interwebs right now, okay? Total holders of SafeMoon protocol is 1.2, almost 1.3 million, okay? And I'm not going to get into the whole tokenomics of this coin today. What we're going to be focusing on mainly is how to protect your SafeMoon, how to buy it, and make sure you don't get hacked. Because, to be honest, lately I've been seeing posts like this on the Reddit page. Help, MetaMask, SafeMoon is gone. Talking about different people's accounts where their SafeMoon just disappeared, okay, from their wallets. Trust wallet hacked, 1.3 million SafeMoon gone. Correction, 1.3 billion SafeMoon stolen. I was hacked and lost over 1 billion SafeMoon, but I'm so bullish I wanted to tell everyone I'm back in the billionaire club. My Trust wallet has been hacked and someone has transferred out of SafeMoon as BNB while I was asleep. Rock bottom. So what I want to do, guys, is just make sure you understand all the basics of how to purchase SafeMoon, how to store it on your wallet correctly, and make sure that it doesn't get stolen from you. Okay, because whether you agree with SafeMoon or not in the fundamentals and the tokenomics and what the developers are doing, listen, you at least want to know how to purchase the thing, right? And if that's one thing that's been a barrier to entry for SafeMoon, it's been the way to purchase it, and there's been a lot of confusion. I've done it successfully multiple times over the past week, and I just like to show you how to do that and make sure you don't get anything stolen, okay? So if you were to go to their webpage, you'll notice they have a selection for how to buy SafeMoon, okay? And if you were to go over this, they give you a little video tutorial as well, but for a lot of people, this isn't enough information, okay? So the important thing you want to take away from this page, at least, is to copy down here. You want to copy this code, all right? And make sure you only take this off the actual SafeMoon website, safemoon.net, okay? Copy that code. Then what you're going to want to do is head on over to your app store, whether you're on iPhone or Android, and download the Trust wallet. Now, this is the official wallet, crypto wallet of Binance, okay? So this is a very well-known wallet. 5 million plus downloads, 4.5 star review. Okay, so this has a lot of good reviews. This is a very trusted. This is not some sketchy wallet that you can, that people are throwing up there to steal your money. Okay, this is a very good wallet. All right, so you're going to go into your Trust wallet, set up an account, do all the works that you would for any other wallet if you're familiar with crypto. If not, it's easy to follow the steps. Write down your seed phrase. Don't lose that. Just the works. And it's going to give you a basic selection. So if you look at the top here, you see my SafeMoon wallet. But it's going to give you these basic tokens: smartchain, BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, yada yada. What you're going to want to do is tap on the right top button here where it has a couple dots and a couple lines. And this is where you can add different wallets, correct? So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and take that code that you just copied and paste it into the clipboard. All right, so there's that code, and there SafeMoon pops up. Because with these tokens, sometimes they're not just going to show up in your standard selection, and that's why they provide this code. And then what you're going to do is just turn that on. All right, so now that wallet is available in your main page. Okay, so whenever you buy SafeMoon, trade for it, there it is. It'll pop up. Okay, so I currently have 187 million tokens of SafeMoon. All right, so not a whole lot, about $1,000 worth. I bought when it was really high, and then I kept averaging down. And I'd like to have like 500 million if I could. It'd be cool to have a billion, but I don't see myself putting that much money in it right now. Just I want to see what it does, and I wanted to get in, make a play on it, and so that's what I did. So how do you buy SafeMoon? Well, if you have a Binance account, It's very simple, okay? If you have a US Binance account, what you're going to do is come down and purchase some BNB, okay? If you've already got an account, you got money on there, purchase some BNB, and then you can transfer it to your Trust wallet, okay? Transfer some BNB to your Trust wallet from US Binance. That's an easy way to do it. So if you look down here, the third one from the bottom is BNB. That is the one you're transferring to, okay? So once you have received that, now there's another way to get it too. You can just simply purchase it. There's a buy button on the top here. What it's going to do is take you to a third-party provider, and let me tell you, you can pay this with a debit card, but as you know, in crypto, when you're using a debit card, there's going to be fees associated with it, and it ain't cheap. All right, so this is the last resort if you can't figure out any other exchange to get BNB from. All right, there's plenty of exchanges that sell Binance coin, so whether you have to, I've purchased it off of here myself, and you can change the amount as long as it's a $50 minimum purchase. All right, so I've done this, and it works both ways. However you get BNB into your wallet, then you're going to want to go down into one of the four options down here that says DEX, okay, DEX. Hit that. What you're going to do is change Binance coin into smartchain Binance coin, okay? And this is part of the process. This is how it works, well, because we're operating off of the Binance smartchain system here. So you see smartchain is the second option down. What you're doing is transferring all your Binance coin into that. And it's basically Binance, but it works on the smart chain, and that's very important for what we're doing. Okay, and all these instructions are on the website. I'm just kind of giving you a visual. Okay, I'm not doing anything different than what the website is saying. So you're going to transfer all your Binance into smart chain through this option here, and there's a small fee that goes with that. So keep that in mind. You can't use the whole amount. It's like a $2 fee to do that. But anyway, you transfer that, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go down into D-Apps, down here on the bottom, D-Apps, and you're going to go into pancakeswap. Pick the first one that's there. That's the real one, pancakeswap, okay? Right now, pancakeswap is going through an update, so it makes it a little more complicated, but that's okay. So down here on the bottom, right, not unlock wallet, but all the way down here at the bottom, it says version, V2, V1 old, V2 discontinued. Hit V1 old. That's what you're operating off of. Okay, that's the one you want to use. All right. And then you see we're on an exchange. This is where we're going to use the smart chain Binance coin to trade for safe. And we're also going to talk about how to keep it safe, because pancakeswap is where a lot of people mess up, right? And this is how you can get your stuff stolen, okay? But anyway, what you're going to do is you keep it on Binance coin, go to select a currency. This is where you're going to paste that code again, and there it is, SafeMoon, all right? You're going to have to set your slippage tolerance to 12%. And as you know, as you learn about SafeMoon, you're going to realize that 10% fee is associated with every transaction. 5% fee goes to the holders. 5% fee gets burned forever, okay? So you click I understand, continue. The reason you're setting your slippage tolerance to 12% is that gives it room for if the price is fluctuating while you're making a trade, okay? So go up to this top bar where it says exchange trade tokens in an instant. The next button here, this is where you manually set your slippage, okay? So set it to 12%. You're good to go. And then what you're going to do is connect your wallet, okay? And you'll connect your wallet. It'll bring up an option here. You can connect MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Math Wallet. So obviously I would click Trust Wallet. And after it is connected here, gives you your total balance. Everything is hooked up, tells me my total balance of SafeMoon, BNB, all that stuff. And then I would pick max, which I don't have enough smart chain BNB to do it. But then you just verify everything, and then you hit swap, okay? And I'm not actually doing a live trade here, but once you hit swap, sit here on this page for about probably 15 to 20 seconds before it'll give you a verification that the trade went through. And what you're going to want to do is unconnect immediately. Don't go back to your wallet yet. Unconnect the wallet from the exchange. You log out. Okay, I just logged out. I didn't want to show my wallet number, but I logged out. So now it has the connect button there. I am not connected anymore. Go to V2 on the bottom here, version 2. make sure that the connect button is still showing, which means that you are not connected to this exchange. You are logged out completely. And that is the most important step to make sure that your Trust Wallet funds are safe, okay? Then you can X out of pancakeswap. You're good to go. Go back into your wallet. Now, the SafeMoon that you have traded for will not populate right away, okay? It'll take a couple minutes. This is a huge process. Sometimes with depending on the volume, just you did it right. Give it some time. They give you a code that shows you that it actually happened on the blockchain that you can verify. But while you're waiting for that to happen, go into your settings. Go to security. You're going to want to turn on passcode. Create a passcode. Use biometric authentication. That's all good. But the most important setting is transaction signing right here, the one I'm turning on and off. So what happens in these people's wallets that are getting stolen from is they're opening up their Trust wallet and getting in there, and then all their SafeMoon is gone, or their Binance coin is gone. And people are literally sending their coins to another wallet. And so what turning on this security does is anytime you move your coins, whether it's to an exchange or out of the wallet, you have to sign in. You have to use the passcode. You have to biometric scan it, or it won't happen. And so no one can steal out of your wallet if you have this transaction signing on, right? You can't take something that you can't sign for. And so that is the second biggest thing you need to do is turn on transaction signing. Sign out of pancakeswaps. It's known to have, if you don't sign out, it gives hackers an opportunity to go back into your history and be able to reverse everything that did with your wallet based off the blockchain. But if you have transaction signing on, can't happen, all right? Don't ever give your seed phrase away. Okay, don't ever give that away. Don't lose it. No one should ever ask you for that, okay? You would think that people would understand these things, but I can't tell you how many posts I've seen with people who've given away their seed phrase, okay? As we see, FaZe K said here, 1 like equals $1 that I put into SafeMoon. He got 21K likes as of the time of this photo here. But listen, there's big things going on in the world of SafeMoon. Keep your stuff safe. Follow the steps to get it. It works every time. Be patient with it. Don't go on to public forums asking for help. Go search it in the bar. There's plenty of posts that have already been doing it, but what's going to happen is you're going to get DM'd by all these sketchy people who's just trying to get in your information and steal your stuff. Don't get into all that mess, okay? Also, if you want more security than what I've been talking about, go ahead and download a VPN. Turn that sucker on. You ain't got to worry about getting hacked, okay? That protects your privacy, your location, your IP location, all that good stuff. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Like I said, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. We're on the road, trying to get to that 500 subscriber mark. If you guys can help me get there, share this video with friends who need to know how to keep their SafeMoon safe. All right, because that's the worst thing this community can get is where someone who's, especially a lot of new people to crypto, right? A lot of people who missed out on the Bitcoin, even the dogecoin train. They're seeing the SafeMoon pop up all over the internet. Right, this is where hackers and people who are stealing others' information are taking advantage of these newbies, and that's the worst thing that can happen is someone's brand new to crypto and then gets it all taken, okay? So do me a favor, hit that like button, share it with someone you know, subscribe. You're on The Informed Trader. I'll catch you guys in the next video.